Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to add Google Authenticator into your desktop. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to add Google Authenticator into your desktop, you just simply have to open any of your browser, and after opening the browser you will get to see this search tab. Now just simply search for Google Authenticator for PC, and after that you will get to see this Authenticator Chrome Web Store option. Just simply tap into that option, and after that you will get to see this page into Web Store. Now just simply tap into this Add to Chrome option, and now after doing this tap again to confirm the process. Then after doing this very easy step, you can add your authenticator into your desktop. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.